Hello everyone, this is It's Delicious with Irene. Karibu sana to your favorite cooking channel. Today we are going to do a Swahili food, chips mayai. It's simply so to say omelette with fries. Wow, I'm so excited to show it today, and in case you didn't subscribe, please don't forget it, and see you soon.
It's Delicious with Irene.
So for our chips mayai, as we call it in Swahili, or simply omelette with fries, we need first of all some oil. I use sunflower, but you can also use the one of your choice. Yeah. And the next is our onions. We fry the onions till they turn a bit of caramel color, and we proceed with another thing. And now as next, we pour our spices. So what we have here is Garam Masala. It's like a half teaspoon, followed with Tandouri Masala, which is also a half teaspoon. And last but not least, kukuma, which is also a half teaspoon. So this is so to say a masala chips mayai. Wow, I love the smell already. And we will also put our grinded carrots inside. Yes, as well as garlic. Yeah. We just fry it all together. And now it's a high time of pouring our green pepper or paprika or hoho Swahili. Yeah. This food is a very famous street food in Tanzania. Whenever you pass by, just ask of chips mayai, you just see it everywhere. It is amazing. Next comes our main ingredients, the fries. Here are our fries. They are already fried, and we pour them inside and we mix them all together like that. So actually there are some people who prefer also, who don't use eggs. They can eat like this, or even if you just eat it like this, it's also very, very amazing. And of course our main ingredient, salt, comes on top. Yeah. And we mix it again. And now it's a high time that we pour our eggs here all around. You start from the sides and then all over. Wow, like this. And you have to do it like this so that the egg can just go everywhere, and so that it cannot miss any part. And maybe on the sides also checking like this. Our amazing omelette. So now, ladies and gentlemen, here is a high time where we have to turn our omelette, because we see that this part has also to be ready. So you put a plate here, turn it upside down like this. Ooh. And putting it back like this. Ladies and gentlemen, our chips Mayai masala is very ready, and now it's a high time to put it upside down again for the final result. Yay! Wow, what is this? Woo! This is amazing. It smells so good. So this is how the chips Mayai masala looks like. It's very, very easy to do, as you can see, and it's very, very, very delicious. So this is how the chips Mayai masala looks like. Isn't this amazing? The smell is just so inviting, and it's very easy to just do it. Try once. You can do it for your lunch as well as supper, as the way you wish. Thank you very much for being with me from the beginning till the end. This is It's Delicious with Irene. Till next time, bye bye, kwaheri.